I keep the lid on? Are you videoing?
Yeah.
Oh,
Hello. Hey.
look at that one. Look at that cat.
That cat's not even scared. Yeah, I guess the cat's been around for a while, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Is that why?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Mason, yesterday he was coming and then he decides,
Yeah, he should
he says he might be busy.
He should be here.
Darn right he should be here.
That cat's gonna get tripped. Almost got caught.
Baby, you ever charge these batteries or you don't have to?
No.
Not yet?
Not yet.
Oh, wow. Yeah.